Well, today have a little problem. I kind of fixed the problem that I had before, that it doesn't want to stay on for a long time. You can see it in my other video I made. So here we go. Put it on full choke, halfway on. Maybe 2 primes. 1, 2. See if it fires up. Oh, it almost fired. I don't know why it does that. As soon as you put it on half choke, it just stalls. But if you start on half choke, it doesn't really stall. Prime it once. Never mind, it stalls on half choke. Let's try no choke. It's the exact same thing. You have it on a full choke with halfway throttle. It stays running. Then when you put on half choke with the same throttle thing, it stalls. And then when you put on no choke with the throttle like this, it still stalls. But then when you put on full throttle on no choke, it runs, but it doesn't really run really good. That's what the problem is. And the other problem, that it doesn't want to stay on when it's half or full choke on half throttle. I'm gonna put this thing on full throttle and see what it does. See, it just starts like sputtering or whatever you call it when it just goes pum 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 pum. That's what it does. I don't know why. If anybody can help me out, because I really want to sell this motor. It's a good motor. It has the snowblower things over here, but you can take those off and whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, I really wanted to sell this motor. But if I don't get this thing fixed, I'm just going to throw it in the scrapyard. But I hope somebody on YouTube can tell me what's wrong with it. I'll fire it up again. I'm just going to take all the gas out because I closed the tank. I closed the valve over here. Let's let it run for a few minutes. On full choke, half throttle. Oh, it doesn't want to fire. What the hell? Sorry, no choke. What the hell? If you didn't see that, it just did a little spark. One of the exhaust. This snowblower is a little bit fucked, but I still want to sell it. So if anybody knows what's wrong with it, just tell me. Well, I'm gonna fire up my old lawnmower. You can see it in my other videos. I put this like pretty cool exhaust pipe thing over here. It's pretty nice, but I might have to throw the body away, deck or whatever. It's all rotten right here when you doesn't really. It's a little bit fucked, but still runs. I'll fire it up for you. Prime it up. Sometimes this one you have to like pump it. Yeah. Here we go. Stop. Most time it starts up. Ah. Well, just wait a minute. I'm gonna put the finger here. Camera. Here we go. There you go. This thing runs pretty good. So it takes a while to start up and get it running properly, but I might just throw this body out, this deck, and maybe sell the motor. The motor's pretty good. It's 3.5. I think it's just a pump stuff, yeah. So yeah. So thanks for watching.